What if preparation wasn't about choosing early, but building skills that travel anywhere?
When I was in 8th grade, I was a really quiet and shy kid. I really stuck to my drawings. So when I saw the media was a choice, I chose it without hesitation because it felt comfortable and a safe option. But when I entered, I was exposed to a lot of things besides just drawing. I got into script writing, I learned photography, I even made 2 films. And because of that, it changed me as a person. Working on film projects helped me gain a lot of confidence in myself.
These are the skills that open doors.
It did help me prepare for life. It showed me, even though times get challenging, there's a way if you work for it. If you work hard enough, that hard work will pay off eventually. I wasn't locked into one answer. I learned how to figure things out. The reason why engineering is very important to me is because I come from a family of engineers. I will be the 4th generation engineer in my family. It goes back to my great-grandfather, Eugene Dennison, and now on to me, who's going to carry on that legacy and become a civil engineer. It's going to prepare me, and it's going to allow me to see how college will be for engineering specifically.
I feel like from my internship I have learned a lot of responsibility. Here at RMCH I am a CEO assistant helping with documents, have my own little office where I contribute, and I am a senior at McKinley Academy, homeschool Maya, working towards my associate's degree in general studies. I have also completed all of my high school credits, so I am practically graduated. And I hope to go into psychology once I go off to college in order to become a child psychologist.
What made me interested in hands-on learning construction was just the environment I grew up with. It feels like it's just right to follow what my father has been doing with his electrical company. We learn how to use pneumatic tools. We're building sheds literally outside of this warehouse. And we're learning how to, make wall frames, make floor joists, put up OSB, drywall. Just knowing that I have this opportunity to come learn. And I just truly believe that that's what's meant for me.
When students build skills that transfer anywhere, they don't just prepare for what's next, they expand what's possible.